This week on #PoolGuys, we're here in Florence, Kentucky, checking out our team here at BioDesign. These guys are doing a great job with what's going to replace gunite swimming pools.
BioDesign, day 7. Starting sand.
So I have the privilege, we're working with Francis here with BioDesign. Now, this pool here, you guys, is really exciting because it's one of the newest things that's hit the United States. What's incredible about this has come from Italy. And now the thing is, it's in New York City and it's gravitating this way towards us. So we want to be one of the first, but we got lucky with Advanced Spas and Pools. They're in Florence, Kentucky, and what's cool is they are building this pool right now, and they let us have the privilege of checking this out. So they're one company up there north of Cincinnati that's doing it, and Francis let us come down and check this pool out because we want your all's feedback at home because we want to start doing this in our area. But one of the biggest things is we got Francis here, who is one of the developers with the design, who is able to help us lay this pool out and kind of give you guys a little bit on what this pool is all about. So Francis, what is one of the neatest things about this pool design and how you can do this for any homeowner for something different?
Well, let's start with the pool's dynamic, let's say. This pool originally started out as an 800 square foot pool. We were able to make this pool an 1100 square feet pool in just a matter of bumping out with just using extra materials on the fly. We didn't have to change anything as far as ordering more materials. We didn't have to change anything as far as I don't know, design-wise in itself. We were able to use all the same liner and different aspects of the project, all in-house, right on the job site, and able to change it just like that.
So one of the neat things, what's great about this pool is the university, like the difference of how you can use it from one scope of the pool when you're on the project for, like he said, starting it, to then in the middle of the job, we can actually sometimes change on the fly. Where vinyl liners, you can't, gunite, you cannot, fiberglass, you definitely can't. So what else is unique about this that's make this a little different than a gunite? Like kind of the process is a gunite can be anywhere from 2 to 3 months, where this pool could take, what, 14 days with good weather?
Yeah, as you can see, this is an 1100 square foot pool, and we were able to complete the whole thing in about 14 working days. Whereas you said, gunite pools are, you know, maybe 2.5, 3 months to get one complete. You can literally start this in the beginning of spring and have the customer swimming, you know, at the end of the spring.
So we've been talking a lot about gunite. You know, our focus is not that. We're trying to introduce a different type of pool. We're just comparing so you homeowners know, because this is something brand new. What is this base consistency? If we were trying to explain to somebody, as if I'm touching this, seeing this, what is this exactly?
What you're looking at is actually quartz sand. So this is literally the stuff you'd find on an ocean beach. They just refine it, you know, they get all the junk out of it, and then they bag it, and then we come in and we apply it. So this is literally a natural material. It's a stone, you know, obviously.
Take all the seashells out of it.
Yeah, exactly. Take all the seashells out of it. So it's all uniform, but it literally is quartz stone, and quartz is one of the strongest products, you know, or strongest materials on Earth. So yeah, this stuff is really, really hard to damage once it's cured correctly.
So the two things that's great about this is the sand makes the main, there's 2 layers to it, right?
Yep, correct.
So we do 2 layers, but that's as you see the whole entire surface area. But to pretty it up and make it really neat is all the different shapes and forms of your different style of rock. We have different colors, things like that, but you can add this rock into it to just give it a unique look.
Right,
Yeah.
And if you guys take a look at this pool, originally, a week ago, we only had about 3 of these unique lines. The homeowner came outside and said, you know what, I want to add more. So this long strip along the middle, if you look at that was added in literally
on the
last 4 days.
That's cool.
Yeah. So these changes, you know, you can get really, really, you know, design oriented, and you can, you know, really make shapes. You can make designs. We almost put a horseshoe with a horse head.
That would have been neat.
Because that's their logo at their ranch.
That's
so, yeah,
cool.
you can do whatever you like.
So like you said with design, what's really impressive about this is, now talk about some of the features we have here. Him and I right now are technically standing on a tanning ledge where you can lounge, you can lay down. So we have a light We have, he calls them therapeutic massage jets that you can see. But the neat thing that you don't even see until the water's turned on, there will be bubblers here, bubbling up. Right. So that's kind of a neat thing. So what you can do that throughout the pool, right?
Yep, absolutely. So the groundbreaking concept is the fact that what's holding in the water is an EPDM liner. This sand is completely pervious, so the water goes in and out of it. So when you walk on it, it kind of feels like the hard pack at the beach, where it's a little bit softer than it actually is. So when you lay down on this, you have air jets right in here. You'll actually see them come out of the sand, and because it's porous, it's just completely unique. There's nothing else like that on the market at all.
Skimmer box.
That's a skimmer box? Oh, wow. That's totally different. So how does everything work in here?
Oh, you got air on top, and you got all air, water returns on the bottom.
Okay.
Suction. And then these are all therapeutic valves, so you can cut them up and cut them down if you want.
Oh, wow.
And they autofill, obviously.
Yeah.
And overflow. And these are lights. I just plugged them out because in Europe they just come up and down.
Yeah.
Like we don't use them.
So it's like, so this
They
entire,
come in and then up and then out.
so this also kind of doubles as an equipment pad too.
Correct.
Oh, wow.
And just look at them out. You don't even see it.
That's,
We don't even see nothing.
yeah, it's just, it molds right into it, huh? It's just,
And
that's,
you got that styrofoam on that one. It's just a form.
yeah.
And once you got form out, it just, you don't even see the box itself.
So it just molds right into it flawlessly.
So what we did here,
And it's very clean too.
Very smooth, very clean.
That's nice. I gotta feel that.
So guys, once again, American Pool and Spa, Richmond, Kentucky. Leave it to us, just swim and relax. This is another episode of #PoolGuys. Give us your feedback, please. Thank you.
Oh, non mi piace, ieri mi è toccato a me che tu lavori. Per oggi sto lucando a te.
There's another too, but well,
Hai scavato tu
like
là?
up there.
La macchina. La macchina è lavorata.
see? See that? That's love.